Waterfront properties for sale in Woodbridge, Virginia. My name is Claudia Nelson. I'm a local Woodbridge, Virginia real estate agent. I also happen to live in Woodbridge, Virginia. For all things Woodbridge, Virginia and real estate, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. So come on, let's check it out. I came across this property the other day while checking for daily new listings. This is such a cool property, and let me show you on the map where it is located. It is located pretty much right where the train bridge crosses, right here. This is pretty much where it is located. It is really nice, really unique for Woodbridge, Virginia. Let me show you waterfront, true waterfront property. A rare opportunity to own a prime waterfront cottage that offers breathtaking year-round water views of the Potomac River. Situated on a sandy beach with the opportunity to enjoy canoeing, kayaking, and paddleboarding, as well as fishing. And property offers a dock, providing convenient parking for your boat and jet ski lift for additional watercraft fun. This is straight from the listing, and let me show you. It is listed by Long and Foster. This property is just so unique. I had to make sure I share it with you. It's a small condominium community, not a traditional condo, because normally the outside is being maintained by the association. That's not the case here, but the condo association will still dictate that you cannot make this into a Airbnb. This would have been a perfect Airbnb. That was my first thought. Look at this. It doesn't look special on the inside, but wow, look at this view. Can you imagine waking up to this stunning view? This is just so beautiful. Or just sipping on wine, enjoying this from the deck. This is just a unique community, and honestly, I have to admit, I did not know about this. I did not know this existed in Woodbridge. Look how cool it looks, like you are in the Caribbean. You wouldn't even think you are in Woodbridge, Virginia. Paradise Cottage, established in 2006. Now let's look at the other property that is currently actually already under contract, but it's again a waterfront property, not as special as this one. It's a different type of property, much larger, and it's on the Occoquan Reservoir, so not the same body of water. You can't do everything, but let's look at it regardless. Currently under contract. Let's just look at those pictures. This one was listed at 1.67. Let's see here. Beautiful. And you saw right there, here you see the Occoquan Reservoir. You can launch a paddle boat right there, kayak. Not the stunning views that we saw earlier, but wow, I would take this in a heartbeat. Look at this. The outside is truly special. If you are looking for waterfront property or water view property in Woodbridge, Virginia, there are some communities that offer waterfront, water access. Then let me know. I am happy to assist you. Some of those properties are really rare finds, just like the first property. That's a truly unique find, and you're not coming across something like that very often in the Woodbridge, Virginia area. But if you are looking for something waterfront, water view, water access, reach out to me. I am happy to help.